This 5-minute solution will show you how to solve something went wrong error on Google Play Store. So if you're trying to install a app or a game from Play Store but you see this something went wrong error, follow this step-by-step guide to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet working or not. To check your internet, you can open your YouTube app and you can play a random video. If you see it's working properly, if you see your YouTube not working, it's your internet connection issue. In this case, open your control center and you can enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it back off, and you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi and cellular. Make sure to use a strong internet connection and then check the issue. The second solution is go to your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps. Here scroll down and tap on Google Play Store, tap on app permissions, tap on notification and make sure to enable notification, tap on location, also select here allow while using the app and then tap on back, and now tap on restrict data usage. Make sure to check this option and now click on clear data, clear all data, tap on OK. Then go to your Play Store and you should see the problem has been solved. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.